Hey everyone, this is Chase of Rocky Mountain ATV MC giving you a closer look at the Vapor Hydro bag coming from Thor. All right, so today we are giving you a closer look at this Vapor Hydro pack coming from Thor. This is a 1.5 liter hydration pack. So this is gonna be for riders that are looking for that minimalistic style. So again, you're gonna have 1.5 liter water storage, and then you're just gonna have one small additional pocket to carry a few extra items with you. So for riders that are looking for that smaller minimalistic design, this would be a good option. But remember, there are other options coming from Thor. You have the Vapor, but then you also have the Hydrant, which is gonna be a 2 liter pack, and then you have the Reservoir, which is a 3 liter pack. So depending on how much water capacity you want and additional storage capacity, they have a couple different options for you to choose from. But let's talk about the Vapor. So as far as the construction goes, it's a nice heavy duty nylon on the front here. We'll start with the straps and the harness, then we'll work our way and show you all the pockets. So with the harness system, what I like about this is they actually have an angled cut to it, or an angled shape. So when you put this on, it has a good fit. And the reason that they angle these straps is so that they don't dig into the rider's armpit when you have it nice and cinched down. So those are your straps. You've got this sternum buckle here. What I like, you can see this pivots. So that's gonna just help the bag work with the rider. Very easy to operate. And then on the inside of your straps, you can see you've got this mesh material here that's gonna help with breathing. You've got a little bit of padding here underneath those straps. Looking at the back, again, all mesh paneling on the back. You are gonna have a little bit of padding underneath there as well. And then you look here at the bottom, you've got your waist belt, this waist strap, big buckle, very durable. You're gonna have plenty of adjustability with the strap. I'll actually give you a better view here. You can see just how long those nylon straps are. So for me, I'm 5'7", about 175 pounds, 42-inch chest. I put this on. After having everything nice and snug, I had lots of adjustability left over. So for riders that are larger than me, not gonna have any issues there as far as getting this to fit those bigger bodies. So plenty of adjustment there. You can see on the harness straps as well, plenty of adjustability with those nylon straps. So that's the back. If we look at the sip tube here, so the sip tube comes down the right side. You've got this neoprene cover going all the way down. That's gonna help with insulation. Your bite valve is, you can rotate this. And then you'll notice here that on the bite valve, you have a little magnet. So on the right side of your harness, you have a magnet that lives right here. And that's just gonna hold that water or that sip tube in place. Here's my only nitpick with this pack. So the magnet, in my opinion, is just not big enough. It's not strong enough to hold that sip tube in place. And you have to have this bite valve rotated at the perfect angle for it to sit flush with that magnet. So I just really don't have the confidence that in a riding situation that this bite valve is gonna stay in place just because that magnet's just not strong enough. So if I think they could improve one thing, because I like the rest of the pack, just make that magnet a little bit bigger, make it stronger, just to ensure that that bite valve is gonna stay in place. So if we look at the front here, again, minimalistic. You've got one exterior pocket here. It's a reverse YKK zip. It is water resistant. Now the size of this pocket, to give you a good idea, you can see it's from the top of this black nylon all the way down to the bottom. So that's how big the pocket is. So again, think of some additional snacks, maybe your phone, some keys, your wallet are gonna fit inside there. And then the large pocket here on the outside is where your bladder is going to live. So again, your 1.5 liter hydration bladder, that comes included. You've got this insulation material on the inside to help keep your drinks nice and cool. You got this big bore opening here, so undo that, pour your liquids inside, and just close that down nice and tight. You've got this Velcro strap up here at the top. That's gonna hold that hydration bladder in place, keep it from falling down. And if needed, you can actually pick up just a replacement 1.5 liter hydration bladder for this pack. And that's gonna go for the Reservoir as well as the Hydrant. If you need extra bladders, we do offer those on our website. But again, also just one last thing I do want to point out to keep in mind, you could put maybe a clothing item inside this pouch with the hydration bladder, but make sure, I wouldn't recommend putting anything inside there that could possibly puncture and damage that water bladder while you're out riding. And that is it. That is the Vapor Hydro Pack coming from Thor. Again, 1.5 liter water capacity in that bladder, minimalistic design, if that's what you're looking for, well, I think this would be a great option. If you have any other questions or comments, leave those below. We'll get those answered. And to pick yours up, it's real simple. Just click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Orders over $75 ship free. Remember, if you like this product spotlight, you want to see more just like it, get subscribed to our YouTube channel. That way you stay up to date and you do not miss out. I am Chase. We'll see you on the trails.